Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to play Counter-Strike online directly in your browser with no download and no installation required. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for Play CS on Google or open the link provided in the description below. Once the website opens, select the version of the game you want to play. I'm choosing Counter-Strike 1.6. Next, choose the main page option. Now select your preferred map or server region. After that, click Connect. Wait a few seconds while the game initializes. For the first time, it may take a bit longer to load. While waiting, you can review the keyboard and mouse controls. The controls are actually the same as the classic Counter-Strike we played back in the old days. Once loading is complete, Counter-Strike will start directly in your browser. Select your team. Now you're ready to start playing. You can switch to full screen mode if you like. And that's it. You're now playing Counter-Strike online without downloading or installing anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.